Y'all hear her, right? With that vacuum, right? Y'all be thinking I'm playing. Y'all thinking I'm tripping. I'm not tripping, man. She be vacuuming 24/7. It's aggravating, so guess what? We finna put a stop to that. Can you cut off the vacuum? I'm vlogging. Can you please cut off the vacuum? Come on, you.
What, I'm sorry. Go downstairs and back in your room?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just playing, Mom. I'm sorry, but this vacuum gotta go. I'm throwing it in the lake.
You're not throwing my fucking vacuum in no lake.
You think I'm playing?
Yeah, you throw my vacuum in there, you gonna be kicked the fuck out. Yeah, what you saying?
Bruh, Mom, just chill. Go, Michaela. Go, Michaela. Michaela, go. Throw it. Oh! What's up, DGF gang? What it is, man. As y'all can see, man, let me go by the window for some more lighting. So y'all can see I just woke up, man, so don't flame me. Well, I ain't just wake up, but I woke up like an hour ago, you feel me? So I ain't even put on no clothes or nothing like that. You feel me? And y'all won't believe this, man. I woke up to the vacuum, y'all. I woke up to Mamadee vacuuming and cleaning up and all the type of stuff that she always do. So I had an idea for y'all. As y'all can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be doing a throwing Mamadee vacuum in the lake prank. I know this sound crazy, y'all. I know y'all like, is he really gonna do it? But I got to do it, y'all. Like, I'm doing it for y'all. So like, I need y'all to smash that like button. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to comment. I need y'all to share, man. Get this video to 100,000 views, y'all. Come on, man. Get this video to 100,000 views. Because I'm going out of my comfort zone for y'all, man. I'm taking this risk for y'all, man. I'm finna throw my mama vacuum in the lake for real. You feel me? Y'all know how Mamadee love vacuums. Y'all know how she get, man. You feel me? So I'm gonna need, man, this is all I gotta say, man. I'm gonna need give me 1,000 likes. Give me 1,000 likes. Just give me 1,000 likes, man. Give me 1,000 likes and I'll be grateful, man. I'll be happy, you feel me? Give me 1,000 likes within, I don't know, it don't even matter. Just give me 1,000. Just smash that like button, y'all. It don't even matter, you feel me? But so basically I'm gonna give y'all a rundown. I already know that she ain't done cleaning up because she been up there, you feel me? And what she do is she be cleaning up the whole dang house. So she'll go up there, y'all. She'll go up there and clean the bathroom, she'll go to try to clean everybody's room, man. Just doing some extra. She just be liking cleaning up. So she just be wanting something to do. So it sounded like she was cleaning her room when she, you know what I'm saying? Cause it sounded like she was on this side of the house cause I could hear the footsteps. So I already know that she gonna go inside the loft area or whatever to vacuum and clean up some more. So what I'm gonna do is, y'all, I'm gonna wait till I hear this vacuum again. So I'm gonna sit down here and chill, you feel me? I'm gonna sit down here and chill, mind my business vibe. I ain't even finna make it noticeable. You feel me? I ain't even finna go up there and mess with her or none of that. What I'm gonna do is chill right now, you feel me? Wait till I hear that vacuum, and as soon as I hear that vacuum, I'm gonna just go up there and act like I'm so mad, act like I'm a snap. I'm gonna act like I was vlogging. I'm gonna be like, man, turn that vacuum off, man. I was vlogging or something. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw it off because I'm gonna have a camera in my hand. You feel me? But I'm gonna make it seem like I ain't recording no more, like I just stopped it. You feel me? And hey, I already know this gonna be funny. So y'all smash the like button. Like I said, y'all, I'm finna put down this camera, wait on Mamadee to turn back on her vacuum, y'all, and it's finna get lit, man. Y'all just stay tuned on game.
A few moments later.
Hey. Y'all hear that, right? Y'all hear her, right? With that vacuum, right? Y'all be thinking I'm playing. Y'all thinking I'm tripping. I'm not tripping, man. She be vacuuming 24/7. It's aggravating, so guess what? We finna put a stop to that. I'm finna go up here and see what's up. Come with me, y'all. Finna turn up. We finna throw this vacuum in there. Man, Mom, I'm vlogging. Can you cut off the vacuum? I'm vlogging. Can you please cut off the vacuum?
You tell me you was vlogging.
I ain't gotta tell you I'm vlogging. Come on. It's lines already in the carpet.
They mixed them up and
What can you possibly be vacuuming again?
lines.
Like, why do you feel like you have to vacuum 25/8? Not even 24/7, 25/8.
Yeah, your clothes almost dry.
Alright. I can't even hear you because you're vacuum.
Your clothes almost stopped, so you can put
Just
them
stop
in
them. Just stop the vacuum. Just cut it off. How long my clothes been in there? Thank you. You finna go check my clothes? So you done with the vacuum though? You done vacuuming? You done vacuuming?
No, I gotta vacuum more. Your clothes about to
I'm sorry, Mom, but you.
Where Michaela at?
Mom, you.
What, you
I'm
gonna
sorry.
go downstairs and back in your room?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just playing, Mom. I'm sorry, but this vacuum gotta go. I'm throwing it in the lake.
You're not throwing my fucking vacuum in no lake.
Yes, I am.
Boy, you crazy. What you about to do with your
Michaela, come with me. I need y'all to come with
You
me.
is not finna throw my vacuum in no lake.
Ain't y'all tired of her in this vacuum?
Yes! I ain't gonna count by you.
Get my shoes. Get my shoes. Hurry up. No, get my shoes. Get my shoes. Mom, you think I'm playing? You think I'm playing?
Yeah, you throw my vacuum in there, you gonna be kicked the fuck out. Stop playing!
You wanna hold it?
Throw that back in the leg. Yeah, you need to throw that back in the leg.
Yeah, why you playing?
Bruh, Mom, just chill.
Throw that back.
Alright, y'all go. She coming.
Finally, that vacuum
Come on, let's
goes.
Go throw it in. Go, Michaela. Go, Michaela. Michaela, go. Throw it. Throw it. Oh! Y'all, the vacuum is late. What you say, man?
Throw my fucking vacuum in the lake.
Go, Michaela, go on.
Why the fuck, man?
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! She coming! She coming! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! What happened to you? Let's go! Let's go high, y'all! Let's go! We threw that bug in the lake. Let's do it! No more vacuuming! Ah! We do this for real, nigga! Where we go? Who room behind it? In there? Room room? What is that? What is it?
Why the fuck was y'all taking me like that?
Oh, she coming!
Bro, I'm so motherfucking tired. When I catch you, when I catch y'all. When I catch y'all. When I catch y'all motherfucking ass, watch what I do. Man, why the fuck would y'all throw my fucking vacuum in the thing?
Mom, I did it for the YouTube. I did it for the YouTube, Mom.
What do you
We did it for the YouTube.
Why you don't throw my fucking vacuum in no
Mom,
fucking...
it's a prank. Calm down, it's a prank.
We got your new one.
Well, I ain't get her no new one, but
But it's just in a... Keon, why would y'all throw... He told me he brought your new one.
Are you fucking... Keon,
let me see from your window.
Keon,
Mom,
stop
just
playing.
chill. It's a prank. We gonna buy you another
No,
one.
you should never do my shit in a fucking life.
I had to do it for YouTube.
That was fun.
Oh Lord, y'all. Look at the vacuum, y'all. Look at the
Oh
vacuum.
my God, bro. Why the fuck you do that? What you do that?
No, just chill.
Why the fuck
Mike,
you do
bro,
that
y'all,
shit?
y'all they playing, Mom.
I'm finna beat your ass.
That's what I'm saying. That's what they
Beat
playing.
your fucking
All
ass.
I'm doing is just making my fans happy, my supporters.
I don't give a fuck about no fans. You should never throw my shit in the water
Bruh.
and thing, and I'm in here back.
Mom, you gotta learn to relax. You don't gotta do all that. Look at the carpet. It look perfect. It's too many lines.
Michaela, you did.
It's already too many lines. That's all you wanna do is vacuum.
Go to Walmart and buy me another vacuum.
Bruh, y'all, let's go.
Buy me 2 of them.
Let's go get the vacuum, y'all.
Buy me 2 of them.
Buy you two? Man, let's.
I already know you drive.
As y'all can see, man, I just did this for y'all, but now I'm coming out money out of my pocket to go buy her a new vacuum. God, leave. Let me get my jacket, man.
We get my shoes.
We'll get that late. We'll get that vacuum out the lake later.
Buy me a vacuum.
Mom, is
No,
you
mama
accept my
ass,
apology? It's just
No,
a.
Keon, why would y'all throw my vacuum in the lake and I'm cleaning up?
But Mom, you know we just did it for a
Man, go
prank.
buy me a vacuum. I don't give a damn about doing it for no prank. You don't do that as no damn prank. You don't do that shit.
We'll get a vacuum out the lake later. If the Gators don't get it, come on, y'all. Let's go to Walmart.
Man, I need some shoes.
All right, leave. Y'all, I did this for y'all. Hey, I need 100,000. I need 100,000 views, y'all. Like, hold on. Let me get inside the car. Cause we finna go buy her a new vacuum, y'all. Before I get beat up. But like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Hey, y'all know how we coming, y'all. Y'all know we doing them back. I'm tired. So let me go ahead and end this video, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me 100,000 views and 100,000 likes. And DJ Gang, we is out.